Today we are gonna make homemade pizza.
These are the ingredients to make the dough for a homemade pizza. You have strong white flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and extra virgin olive oil, as well as water.
First we're gonna measure our dough. It's 130 grams.
So 130 grams of flour is for one person, but we're doubling the sizes to feed 2 people.
It looks like an egg, Mom. I'm gonna put the yeast now.
1 sachet of yeast in the bowl. We're using 1 sachet and not half a sachet because we're feeding 2 people. Okay, so you add a pinch, 2 to 3 pinches of salt.
I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yeah, see. And then 1 teaspoon of olive oil.
Whoa! So you add in 160 ml of room temperature water. So you keep stirring until it becomes a little bit sticky, but still a solid, not like this. But you can still add some more flour if necessary. You can either use a wooden spoon or you can use your hands like that.
I'm still stirring, Mum. I want it to be nice.
Flour your board when it looks quite cakey in a way. And you can add more when you're kneading it. This is very tough.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on the board now.
Okay.
Flip.
This is so sticky. Ow. Okay, so when you're kneading the dough, my school taught me this. You flip, then you with your palm you push, flip,
Flip,
push,
push,
flip, push, flip, push, flip, push, and repeat. You have to do this for 10 minutes as well. Very tiring. So, since we're making this for 2 people, this is 130, that is 130, so we've cut it in half. And then we put them in 2 separate bowls. So, before that, I need to make it like a fluff shape, like a circle potato shape, like a hill. Like something like that. That will do. Then you put it in here. I forgot to oil it. So, you oil your bowl, preferably the bottom, because that will be where it's going to be. And so, I'll put this in here. So, and then after you've oiled your bowl and put your dough in, yeah.
Put it in the bowl now, and I'm gonna make this biggest because I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna do my white style because I like burritos, and I didn't even try burritos before. I will cover mine with cling something. Cling film. There we go. We will leave it for a few hours so it can rise up. It's after 3 hours. So big! It's time to make the sauce. Heat the tomato sauce in the pan. Still some more. Mix it up. Add herbs, anything you fancy. Blow it, blow it, blow it. That's hot inside. Hot.
There you go.
Stir it well.
After 4 hours, you roll out the pizza, and if it's still a little bit sticky, you can add more flour.
Burrito pizza. It's gonna be big.
Can I roll it out more? If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a round top. A large one, preferably.
Time for the toppings. Now time for the cheese.
I'd put the other.
And time to put the oven. Mommy, take over. The pizza is ready.
Oh, that fits perfectly. Really nice.
Special delivery, Dad. Daddy.
Sarap. Parang Greenwich pizza.
Wow.
Hmm.
Greenwich pizza. Move over.
Sarap.
Crunchy.
Hmm.
Malambot na crunchy yung ano. Ano ba ganun? Malambot siya pero crunchy.
Parang Greenwich pizza.
Ang sarap.
Homemade.
We can hear the crunch, Ethan. Inuna niya ng kinain ng toppings habang nag-aantay. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Medium? What is the score? Oh, thumbs up! Thank you! Ethan knead the dough really well for more than 10 minutes.